Hey guys, welcome back to Power to Weight Training. Today's workout is going to be a kettlebell workout. I'm using a 16 kilogram or a 35 pound kettlebell. The main component of this workout is 300 kettlebell swings broken into sets of 50 with exercises in between each set of 50. If you guys are watching this and you already haven't subscribed, please do so. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and I'll see you guys after this 5-second flyby. Alright guys, welcome back. Let's get started. There's no timer on this today, aside from the total time for the workout. We are not doing time intervals, we're going for repetitions. So let's start with a little bit of a warm-up. So we'll go 25 in each direction. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, usually 15 more in one direction. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and 5 more, then we'll switch up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's switch up. 1, whoa, there we go. 2, out in the other direction. 3, 4, keep it up. 5, 6, 7, get our heart rates moving a little bit. 8, 9, 15 more guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, get a little bit of swinging, get a little bit of blood flow. Heart's moving a little bit. Now we're going to 50 alternate swings. So alternate your arms. Once again, if you don't have a kettlebell, feel free to use a dumbbell. I'm going to use this 16 kilogram one. Ready? And let's go 5, 4, come on, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go for 50 swings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 10. Perfect. Let's go. 1, 2. Count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 30. We've got 20 more guys. 1, 2, keep it up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stay with me. 9, 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Put the kettlebell down gently and shake it out. As always, the next workout is coming up to my right over here, so you guys can see what we're doing next. We're going for 8 cleans per arm on this next one, and then we're going to move back to swinging. Remember, the core of this workout is the 56 sets of 50 swings, and it actually adds up to 300 out of 300 subscribers, 301 to be exact. So once again, guys, quick reminder, don't forget to subscribe if you're doing this workout with me. Thumbs up, the bell, you know what to do. And let's go for 8. Ready? 1, all the way down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Switch arms right away. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 more. 7 and 8. Perfect. Shake it out. We're going with 50 double swings. All right. Let's not waste any more time. We're going for 50. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay with me. 6, 7, 8. From the hips. 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. Count with me. Come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, and 2. Keep it up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6. Thrust. 7, 8, 9, and that's 50. Carefully put them down and shake it out. From here we go for 25 goblet squats. We've done it before, just never with a kettlebell. If you guys have a dumbbell, grab the dumbbell like a goblet. If you guys have a kettlebell, flip it upside down. Same thing, grab it like a goblet, close to your chest, lean down your chest and squat down. We are going for 25. Make sure you don't drop it on your feet. Close to your chest. And let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And squat down. And that's 1. Perfect. 2. All the weight on your heels, guys. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Stay with me. 3, 4. That's 10. 1. Weight on your heels. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 15. 1, 2. 10 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Nice job, guys. Nice job. Now we're going for left arm swings. 50 with the left arm or with the right arm. We're going to alternate arms on the next set, so it doesn't really matter. Let's get ready to roll. In 5, 4, come on. 3, 2, single arm. 5, let's go for 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 down. 1, stay with it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hang on. 5. Halfway. 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's 30. 20 more, guys. Come on. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 more. Count down with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Double up. Put it down carefully. All right. 50 down on the left arm. Now we're going to the plank position. We're doing the kettlebell pass under. We're going to attempt to do 20 of them. Well, I will attempt to do 20 of them, and I know you will follow. Plank position. You guys should know what to do. If not, make sure you look up there. Get ready to rock and roll. And you move forward to the center a little bit. And here we go. Going for 20. Plank, reach under, move over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halfway, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one, and that's 10. All right, shake it out a little bit for a second. Woo. Hey, what do we got next on the list? That's on this right arm swing. So whatever arm you didn't do before, that's the one we're working out, guys. Let's go for 50. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, hit it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 down. Keep it up. 1, come on. 2, count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 20. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 30. You got 20 more. Come on. 1, 2, stay with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 more. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one, double up. Put it down gently. Woo. We got 4 exercises left, guys. We're going to lunges. Lunges, lunges, lunges. We're going for 20 per side, except we're gonna do 50 swings in between. You guys know what to do, right? Grab the kettlebell. We're gonna lunge back with the same leg that the kettlebell is on. All right? We're going for 20. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Balance. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Halfway. Stay with me. 1, come on. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 5. Count down with me. Come on. 4, 3, 2. Last one. And 1. Nice job. Shake out that arm. Woo. Double swings. 50 double swings. We have 100 swings left altogether. Take a little breather. Grab a bottle of water. Boom. We're done. Let's go 50 doubles. Ready, guys? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Count with me. 3. A lot of counting this one. 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 30 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Halfway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 more, guys. Count down. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And put the bell down gently. Woo. Nose will start to run on that one. All right, so whatever leg you did before, switch it up, guys. Single lunges. Remember, the side that the bell is on, or your weight's on, that's the side we lunge back with. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lunge back. Catch you balance like I am, and this for the first couple. And 2. And 3. This is where the soft mat really fails me. 4. Keep it up. 5. 6. We're going for 20. 7. 8. 9. Halfway. 10. Count down with me. Come on. 9. 8. 7. Little counterbalance. 6. 5. 4. 3 more. 2 more. 1 more. And up. All right, guys. Put it down. We're going back to alternating swings. This is the last 50, guys. This is going to make a 300 swing kettlebell exercise today. First one on power to weight training. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Well, that's not to waste any more time. Let's knock this sucker out. 50 alternating swings. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9. And that's 10 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 20. 21, 22, 23. Keep up. 24. And that's 5. And that's 26, 27, 28. Come on. 29. And that's 30. 20 more, guys. And 1. Count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 10 more. Count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we are done. That concluded all the exercises, including 300 swings. This was a beginner workout, more based on endurance and just swinging the kettlebell. No advanced moves, kind of the way I like it. I'm an endurance-based guy, guys. Thank you for joining me, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're watching this without subscribing. Hit the bell, give me a thumbs up. Workouts are every Monday and Thursday, and I'll see you guys in the new year. This is the last workout of 2020. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you guys later.